Hey, Hilela was here. So today we'll install Julia. We'll search for Julia Lang. So we will land up on the Julia Lang page, and from there we can download our Julia interpreters. Basic information check around what my processor is. ARM 64-bit, that's what I have, and I'm going to choose the specific for me. You would have to look for your computer and choose the package accordingly. Once you have that, get it downloaded on your computer. I'm going to skip that process of download because I already have it downloaded. Go ahead, download it. It would be in your downloads folder, and from there you just copy it to the folder that you want. I have done it in a folder called as Julia, and I have expanded or extracted that folder. So once you have Julia, you would see like you have a folder called as bin, which has the Julia application, and I think you should be all set. Let's try to open Ripple. And here you go. Thank you. Do like, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy learning. Thank you.